Welcome to Spotlight Business Report. I'm Richard Anton, data-driven, fearless, fueled. Today we examine one of the most ambitious technology companies in the artificial intelligence revolution, Cerebras Systems, a company attempting to challenge the dominance of NVIDIA by building the largest computer chip ever created. What if the future of artificial intelligence did not depend on thousands of tiny chips working together, but instead on one giant processor the size of a dinner plate? That radical idea became the foundation of Cerebras Systems. Cerebras Systems was founded in 2015 in Sunnyvale, California by veteran engineers and entrepreneurs led by Andrew Feldman. Feldman believed the next great computing revolution would be artificial intelligence. At the time, most AI systems relied heavily on graphics processors known as GPUs, especially those produced by NVIDIA. But Cerebras believed traditional chip design had a serious weakness. As AI models became larger and more advanced, thousands of separate chips had to communicate with one another. That created delays, increased energy usage, and limited overall performance. So Cerebras asked a bold question. What if instead of cutting a silicon wafer into many small chips, you use the entire wafer as one gigantic processor? That idea sounded nearly impossible. But Cerebras built it, and the results were revolutionary. The result was the wafer scale engine, also known as the WSE. It became the largest commercially produced computer chip in the world. The newest version contains hundreds of thousands of computing cores and trillions of transistors. Cerebras claims its systems can dramatically accelerate AI training and inference compared with traditional GPU clusters. Instead of relying on thousands of connected chips, Cerebras attempts to process AI workloads on one massive unified processor. Cerebras emerged at the perfect moment. The world entered a global artificial intelligence arms race. Technology giants suddenly needed unimaginable amounts of computing power to train advanced AI models. That demand transformed AI chips into one of the most valuable industries on Earth. Cerebras positioned itself as a challenger to NVIDIA. But unlike many startups, Cerebras did not attempt to create a slightly better GPU. They attempted to reinvent AI computing architecture entirely. Today, Cerebras technology is being used in artificial intelligence research, scientific computing, healthcare simulations, and large language model development. But the company faces major challenges. NVIDIA remains the dominant force in AI hardware, and building wafer-scale processors is extremely expensive and technologically difficult. Competition in the AI chip industry is intensifying rapidly worldwide. Still, many investors believe Cerebras could become one of the most important infrastructure companies of the AI era. Whether Cerebras becomes a dominant technology force or remains one of Silicon Valley's boldest experiments, the company has already changed the conversation surrounding artificial intelligence hardware. This has been Spotlight Business Report, data-driven, fearless, fueled. If you enjoyed this report, subscribe for more deep dives into the companies and technologies shaping the future of global business.